don't know. What do you think, Storm Shadow? Oh, I think it's good channel change. I mean, without it, we wouldn't be alive right now.
Yo, what up, homeboys? What's this cracker up to?
Oh, just watching him make a mockery of bushcraft, as always. I don't know, guys. We should be more respectful. He is like God, lest he smite us.
Well, what do we have here?
危ない逃げろ
Snag.
G.I. Joe lore encompassed 3 of the most major film tropes so perfectly. Now, you'll have to excuse the term because it's rather antiquated, but Roadblock here supported the magical Negro trope exactly to a T. The magical Negro was a person of African descent with no past or future in the storyline that would suddenly show up with some sagely advice for what was generally the white male protagonist.
Mind if we join you, old timer?
Join me, my son. Join. I work for no man.
Got a name, do you?
I have no name. You seek a great fortune. You 3 who are now in chains. You will find a fortune. Though it will not be the fortune you seek. But first you must travel a long and difficult road. A road fraught with peril. Your salvation.
And then disappear.
Spirit as the noble savage trope originally carried within much the same factors. Sagely advice, medicinal purpose, and could command wildlife.
Boy, what a great campsite. Yeah, here's more wood for the fire. No, my clothes are on fire. Run for the stream.
Don't run! Here, let me wrap this around you. You okay?
Lucky thing you were around, Spirit.
Lucky thing you didn't run. Remember, running only makes the fire worse. If your clothes catch fire, wrap yourself in a rug or blanket.
And roll on the ground to smother the flames. Now we know.
And knowing is half the battle.
Storm Shadow, the originally independent hired Cobra assassin, spoke very little, other than expressing Eastern mysticism, and possessed superior skills of fight science. It's really hard to say. Superior after mysticism.
He's not so tough.
Embracing some of these tropes and juxtapositioning one that G.I. Joe left out, we have one of our own character introductions coming up in a video that does just that.
We've encompassed the manic pixie dream girl trope and combined it with the mysticisms of the other 3 in order to augment our videos moving forward.
But we won't get too much into it as to not spoil the surprise coming up.
With the world quickly unraveling, we preemptively bought ourselves a cabin in the woods. Now in the Perry post-apocalypse, we're left with
Scrap, and junk lore. Oh my. Easy, bushcraft. You make learning fun.
Kids, shut up.
Is your mom there?
No, I'm home alone.
Well, you won a prize. What's your address?
42 Oak Street. Hey, Roblox, some stranger's bringing me a prize.
A stranger, huh? All he wanted to bring you was trouble. Remember, never tell anyone you're home alone, and never give anyone your address.
I'll say Mom can't come to the phone.
Smart thinking.
Now I know.
And knowing is half the battle.